Exercise 12.2, second problem. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30-meter height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. As he walks towards the temple, find the find the distance he walked towards the temple. First, you can draw the figure. 1.5 meter height tall boy. Okay. And he is observing from his eyes to top of the crown of the temple. So here we are taking AB is the temple. Okay. This temple height is 30 meter. But tall boy height is 1.5 meter. So here he is observing from his eyes, means the temple height is actually 30 meter, but tall boy height is 1.5 meter. He is observing remaining height of that person only. That is nothing but this is 30 minus 1.5 meter. It is equal to 28.5 meter only. Okay. What they are asking, find the distance he walked towards the temple. They are asking about the distance. First, he is observing at one point, that is P point. The angle of elevation is 30 degrees. And after some time, he walks towards the temple and he stands at Q point. Again, he observes from that point, from his eyes, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Again, you read the question. Okay. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters in height, from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. That is nothing but from the distance to the temple P point when he stands in the first position. Then he looks top of the crown, making angle of the elevation is 30 degrees. After that, he walked towards the temple and he stands some Q position. Then again, he observed the top of the temple. Then the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Now we can find out the distance he walked towards the temple. That is nothing but PQ distance we should find out. Okay. First we can take, this is the PQ distance is small d and the total distance is small x. Okay. Here we know the opposite side and adjacent side with the angle. In that case, we are using the ratio, tan ratio only. First, we can declare what they have given. A boy height is equal to 1.5 meter. Temple height equal to 30 meter. He observes from his eyes to the top of the temple means height of the temple is 30 minus 1.5 meter is equal to 28.5 meter only. Next, at P position or at P point, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. At Q point, the angle of elevation equal to 60 degrees. Okay. That is nothing but angle here we are taking, this is the C point and here EF. Angle BEC is equal to 30 degrees. Angle BFC is equal to 60 degrees. From this, what the PQ points distance is there, the same distance is EF distance is equal to small d meters, let it be. And EC distance is equal to small x meters. Okay. Now we can take the ratio tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side, that is BC by EC. That means tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to BC height is 28.5 by EC height is x. So x equal to 28.5 into root 3. Okay. That is x is equal to 28.5 into 1.732. That is equal to, just you can multiply those two numbers, we are getting 49.362. 49.362. This is the PA distance. Okay. That is x equal to 49.362 equal to PA distance. Next, we can take the angle in angle BFC equal to 60 degrees. Then tan 60 degrees is equal to BC by, here we are taking EF is B and FC is equal to some Y. So it is adjacent side is FC, then that is equal to 28.5 by Y. So tan 60 value is root 3 is equal to 28.5 by Y. By the cross multiplication, Y equal to 28.5 by root 3. So Y is equal to 28.5 by root 3. Rationalize root 3 into root 3. This is equal to 28.5 by 3 into 1.732. 28.5 into 1.732 is equal to 49.362 by 3. And Y value is 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. So Y is equal to 16.454 meter. Then we can find out D value. Small d is equal to x minus y. So x is equal to 49.362 minus 16.454. So subtract from 49.362, 16.454. It is 8. Here 5, 0. This is 8, 13. 13 minus 4 is 9.23. This is equal to 32.908 meters. Therefore, what they are asking, the distance, walking distance is equal to 32.908 meters. It is the answer. Third problem. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. That is, this is the 2-meter tall pedestal. On this, the statue is there. Okay. From a point on the ground, P is a point. Here, AB is the pedestal height, BC is the statue height. Okay, P is a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the statue is 60 degrees. This is the 60 degrees. Okay, next, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. It is 45 degrees. Okay. Find the height of the statue. Find the height of the statue. This is H. Again, you read the question. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. That is, AB height is 2-meter pedestal height. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. Here we are finding the statue height is H meters, and the distance from the foot of the pedestal to point is, let it be, X meter. Okay. Next, from this clue, we can find out the statue height. First, we can take what they have given. Pedestal height is equal to 2 meter, that is AB height. Next, let statue height is equal to H meter, that is equal to BC. Next, the angle of elevation from P point to top of the statue is equal to 60 degrees. That is nothing but angle APC. In the same way, the angle of elevation from P point to top of the pedestal, that is equal to 45 degrees. That is nothing but angle of BPA or APB. From this matter, we can find out the statue height. That height is H meter. How we can find out means, first we can observe the figure. In this, we know the opposite side and adjacent side with the angle. For this data, the related ratio is tan only. So, in triangle APC, then tan 60 degrees is equal to AC is the opposite side, PA is the adjacent side. AC is equal to statue height plus pedestal height by PA is equal to, we can take X meters. But we know that tan 60 value is root 3. Root 3 is equal to H plus 2 by X. From this, X is equal to H plus 2 by root 3. Why? Because they didn't ask the distance from the pedestal foot to point. They are not asking about that distance. Only they are asking about the height of the statue only. So we can take the X common in the two angles and equate two values. Then we are getting the height of the statue. Next, in the triangle APB, tan 45 degrees is equal to AB is the opposite side, PA is the adjacent side. AB is the pedestal height, PA is the distance from the foot of the pedestal to the point. So tan 45 degrees value is 1. So 1 is equal to 2 meter by X. From this, X is equal to 2 meter. Let it be equation 2. Equate, or from equation 1 and 2, we can equate the two values. That is 2 is equal to H plus 2 by 3, root 3. From this, 2 root 3 equal to H plus 2. Okay. So H is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 is common. Root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1. It is equal to 2 into 0.732. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. 1.464 meters height. Therefore, statue height equal to 1.464 meter. It is the solution.